So I'm walking to go do my pre-schedule for next semester, right? And look what it looks like, guys. It's like ultra windy. Everything flying everywhere. This is in Canton, guys. Shit look crazy. And I gotta go do fucking schedule. And everything's flying everywhere. Just going everywhere. It's mad windy. Oh, shit. People probably like, why the fuck she got a laptop at? Wait. Well, because this is the only way I'm gonna catch this shit happening. All of this. Almost died just now. I almost tripped. It's like ultra windy. Look, all these trees used to be mad pretty. All the leaves all over the way. And look at all the leaves on the floor. Look at this shit. Shit look crazy. Oh! It's flying at me. Look, now I got leaves in the scarf. This shit is crazy. Got a pea coat on. Look at big ass scarf. It's like nobody near the library. Gotta hold on to this